Hi you guys, I want to show you how I got this look. Keep on watching. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to start with setting spray on my face. I have this pen. I don't know, I kind of thought it's really cool. Just gonna let it sit. Oh, I forgot to wear my contact. I'm gonna wear them really quick. Okay, now I'm ready. I love my contact. I just wish that I had green eyes. But I mean, I know some people are like, oh, you don't need to, and what are you wearing? It's fake and whatever. But I like it, and that's the most important. So I'm gonna start with primer. This is what I'm gonna use. It's mainly gonna be like on my nose, where I have big pores, and here. I'm going to use this Tatcha primer. It just makes everything like really like canvas. Okay, I used this foundation yesterday and I absolutely love it. I cannot recommend this enough, and it's from the drugstore. Maybelline 24-hour foundation. It's so bomb. And I'm in the shade 220 and it's so beautiful on my skin. You don't need that much, but I like it. Full coverage. Now the concealer I used yesterday is the Too Faced, and I'm in the shade Light Beige. Such a good high coverage concealer. Like, I love the Tarte one as well, but this one just doesn't dry me under eye, and sometimes my under eye are very dry. So I'm gonna apply this. For setting spray, I mean setting powder, I'm going to use the Mercier translucent setting powder. So yesterday I used this bronzer by Ofra. And I'm going to use this brush from Sephora, an angled brush. Just gonna bronze out my face. Where the sun naturally hits. For the highlight today, I'm going to use this Estée Lauder again. I love this highlight. And I'm going to take this brush, which is Morphe x Jacqueline Heel GH09. I didn't even wet the brush. And it's so intense. Okay, and for blush, I'm going to use the Terry stick blush, and this one just a duo stick pink and highlight in one, and it just makes, I don't know, my skin like healthy looking, like I didn't wear much makeup, like looks so natural. Like right now I'm so bronzed, but this one just, it will make everything so pink. Will make it pink. This is what the look is about. Pink vibe. Like my mirror. This heart mirror is so cute. Okay, I dipped it in my beauty blender. Like that. And my nails are such a quarantine nails. They're probably gonna fall out in a couple days. Okay. Wow, much better. Okay, wow. Like instantly. Such a beautiful color. I'm gonna put some on my nose just to kind of blend everything together. And some over here just to kind of blend all the look. We're gonna move to the eyes. So I kept it pretty simple yesterday, and I mean, I love how it turned out. And I used this Norvina palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this one looks stunning. Like, really, this is so pretty. I love this palette. I use this shade right here called Love all over my lid. You know, wear it all over the lid. Like really all over. And the same color with the other side of the brush. After that, I used this color right here, which is a darker burgundy shade, and I'm mainly going to focus it on right here. Not too noticeable, but just makes it a little better. Just the look. And of course I need like a shimmer shade right here, so I used my finger for that because I used this shade which is called Wild Child, and this one is like so shimmery. I don't know if you can tell, but it's so stunning. I'm going to wear it on top of this shade with my fingers. That's pretty much it for the eyes, and yeah, it's very easy, and I just need a mascara. I didn't wear any liner, but if you want to, you can add it. I might do like a really small with this brown eyeliner by Marc Jacob. I just obsessed with this liner, and I always do my line like that, like very not noticeable, but it's there, you know what I mean? So it makes it a little different. I'm just going to just clean it with my fingers like that. I actually curled my lashes yesterday, so I'm gonna do that, which I never do. Like, I don't think that I need to, so, but I don't know, yesterday I felt like I wanted to. I'm going to use this L'Oreal mascara, which is my Ride or Die too. This in the Lash Paradise as well. Oh, and don't worry, I didn't forget my inner corner highlight. My favorite part of the makeup is the inner corner highlight. It just makes everything so popped, you know? And my brows, of course. So I'm going to use my inner corner highlight with Becca bronzer. A little bit right here. I did my brows very different than I'm usually doing, so I'm going to show you what I used. First, I used the Hourglass brow pencil. I just brushed it like that. I brush it up and down here. And then I just filled my brows only under here. Let me know if you want a brow tutorial. I would love to do that as well. Okay, and then after I just lined under, I took brow gel by Anastasia and in the shade Blonde, and then I just pulled my brow, all the hair up, brush it up. I'll have to show you how I did my lips. So for the lips, I went with NYX my lip pencil, which I love, and it's in the shade Nude Truffle. And then I went with this Huda Beauty. I have just this mini, what's it called? Liquid lipstick in the shade Gossip Girl. And then I went with this Tarte lipstick in the shade Hibiscus, and this one is like super pretty. Love this pink shade. Okay, and I'm going to do my hair. I don't know if I will go with straight or curly. Maybe just like a beachy wave. This is the final look and I love it. So why I love this look. It's very glowy. The brows are bushy brows, lips are very bold lips, and eyes are very natural and glowy. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and like, subscribe, and see you next time.